This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on WazirX Exchange. Alright. So first I'm going to open this WazirX Wallet desktop app. You can also do the same thing on your smartphone app as well. I'm going to hit the maximize button. Now before you move on to purchasing cryptocurrencies on this exchange, make sure you are under this INR tab. If not, just click on it. Alright. Now you have to search for the cryptocurrency INR pair which you want to buy. Or I can simply say that you can search for the cryptocurrency that you want to buy for INR. Alright. Right now I'm going to buy TRX, which is Tron, and click on this pair because this is the Tron and INR pair. This is the exchange, so you can exchange your INR for Tron. You can buy cryptocurrency Tron by exchanging your INR or using your INR, which is into your wallet. Before you buy any cryptocurrency, make sure that you have sufficient funds into your wallet. You need to have at least any amount greater than rupees 100 to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies on WazirX Exchange. So once you are here on the exchange tab, all you have to do is search for that pair, TRX INR, or any pair that you like. Here is the Bitcoin INR pair. You can buy Bitcoin using this exchange, and I'm going to buy Tron, so I'm going to click on this. Now there are two options here. Whenever you select a pair, there are two options. One is buy and another one is sell. If you haven't bought something, you cannot sell. This is what applies here on WazirX Exchange and most of the cryptocurrencies exchanges. Alright. As I'm going to buy cryptocurrency now, so I'm going to click on this buy tab or this buy option. Now there are also two types of orders that you can place on this exchange. One is the limit order, another one is stop limit order. The difference between a limit order and a stop limit order is this, that in this stop limit order, you decide a price, a stop price at which the order will be placed. This is the very specific price at which the order will be placed. Whereas in case of limit order, you can set the lowest price as the limit. Now beyond this limit, the purchase won't be made. It means that the order will not be placed beyond this limit. It will always be placed below this limit, but not above this limit. So that is what is a limit order. Alright. You can read more about it on Google, but for now I'm going to keep it up to here and just place the order. I'm going to place a limit order and at the lowest available price for now. The last price was 5.0066, and so I'm going to hit this lowest price to confirm that it's the lowest price as of now. And there are two ways in which you can buy cryptocurrencies. One is you can set this amount of Tron you want to buy, or the other way is how much amount you're willing to spend to buy Tron, and that is decided by the amount you have right now in your INR wallet. I have right now 1109 rupees. If I click on 100%, it will mean that I'm going to use 100% of my amount to buy Tron at this price, 5.0066, and that will give me exactly 221 Tron coins. Alright. But what if you want to buy with just rupees 100? Then all you can do is type it in that box 100, and you can see that you will be able to buy 19 coins using that rupees 100. Alright, at this price. Make sure you have clicked again on the lowest price option before you start buying. So you can now type it in again, 100 coins, and it's still 19 coins. You can also type it in here the number of coins that you would like to buy, such as if I would have wanted to buy 20 coins, so that would cost me 100 rupees and 1320 paisa, which is like up to 4 decimal places. It's like 13 paisa only, not 20 paisa. So 100 rupees 13 paisa it's going to cost me to buy 20 Tron coins at this price. Alright, and now I'm going to purchase this limit order by clicking on this buy TRX button. The order has been placed successfully. and I think it has been executed as well. See, under the completed orders, the order has been completed. Now, where can I find this currency? We have to go to this fund section, and here you will be able to see the amount that you had purchased, the total number of coins, and the available balance. If you later decide to send this currency to some other wallet, you can click on this withdraw button to withdraw the currency to some other wallets like CoinSwitch or any other wallet to which you are willing to withdraw. Alright. Now, if you would want to sell this currency at a higher price on a later date, you can do this. To do that, you have to go to the exchange section again, go to the TRX INR pair, and look for the price. Of course, I'm going to be in loss right now because it's 4.9962 as of now. And if you click on this sell tab and click on this highest price, it would be even lower than this value. But I'm going to sell it for now. You don't sell it in loss. You always sell it when the price is higher than the amount what you had used to buy. For now, I'm going to sell it at this price, which is actually a loss for me, but you don't be in loss. You try to make the profit by selling it at a higher price than what you had purchased with. Alright. For now, I'm going to sell it at this price. Doesn't matter whether it's a profit or a loss. It's just that I have to show you how to sell the coins. And now there are two options again to sell the coins. One is you can decide the amount of TRX, it means amount of coins that you would like to sell. I can decide to sell only 10 coins, or I can decide to sell all of the 20 coins, or I can decide to sell the 100% of the coins or the 50% of the coins as I would like to. Or I can also decide that I need to sell only an amount that can give me 80 rupees. I need to sell an amount that can give me 80 rupees in return. Alright. And that would be 16 TRX coins that I would have to sell to get 80 rupees. If I want to get 90 rupees in return, then I would have to sell 18 TRX coins. It all happens by itself. It all is selected by itself. These values are selected by itself. As I input this value, this one will be selected by itself. And if I input this value 100%, that will be selected by itself. So if I sell all 100% of my coins, TRX coins, I'm going to get only 99.8980 amount in return. Alright. So I'm going to click on this again, highest price, and I'm going to click on this 100% again, and then I'm going to click on sell TRX button to sell the TRX. Order placed successfully. It has been completed as well. Look, the order has been completed. I purchased at 100 rupees 13 paisa and sold it at 99 rupees 83 paisa, which is a loss anyway, but it doesn't matter for now. It's just a tutorial, so you can always sell it at higher price and make profits. Alright. And now if I go to this fund section, I'm going to see only this amount of TRX which has been left behind, which doesn't matter much, and I have my money here, 1109, and I can also check out the transfer history, but I'm not going to see anything here because that's not the trading history. That's just a transfer history of funds which I have used to transfer in and out of WazirX wallet. Alright. So this is how we can buy or sell cryptocurrencies on WazirX Exchange on desktop or also on our smartphone app. Alright. So stay tuned for more tutorials on cryptocurrencies. Until then, keep trading, stay safe, and thank you.